Thanksgiving is just a week away, and that means great food and beautiful tablescapes. We've already shown you some ideas in the past on how to use icon art to make your Thanksgiving day a little extra special. Of course, you can use icon art on fabric to make your own custom tea towels or your own custom placemats. You can also use icon art on cork for Thanksgiving themed cork trivets. You can even use icon art to make your own place cards. You can either personalize them or just put a general Thanksgiving message on them. Or one of our favorite uses, you can use etch-all etching cream to etch your own glass pie plates. But today we are going to be showing you how to use torch paste to wood burn a very easy personalized cutting board. This is a great addition to your table, whether it's just decorative to place a dish on, or you can also use a cutting board oil like this walrus oil or a mineral oil to apply over the top of your wood burn design and make it food safe. So if you want to see how to take our Give Thanks free SVG that we have on our website, personalize it with your own name, and then make a stencil out of it so that you could wood burn your own cutting board, keep watching.
So the first thing you're going to do is go to our website, ikonartstencil.com, and under the resources tab, there's an area called free artwork. Then you just scroll to find the artwork you want. We are using this Eat, Drink, and Give Thanks artwork today. Scroll down, click Download SVG, and it will open in a new window. Right click and save it to your desktop. And then just open the file in the design program that you use. We are going to be using VECTR today, and I'm just going to be speeding through this process, but I do have an in-depth tutorial on this, and I will link that in the description below. But basically you just adjust the artwork to be the size you want and to put a custom name on there. And it's really easy to do using this free online program VECTR, and then you can print directly out of there as well. Just make sure to adjust your print settings. And then you can expose your film, just layer it on with the cover sheet and expose for 35 seconds and then wash it out and you are ready to go. I do like to sand my cutting board first, so I am starting with a super smooth, nice surface. Then I just apply my stencil and apply the torch paste. And I'm going to apply the torch paste exactly the same way I would ink or paste. I just squeegee it across my design and make sure I get it in all of the mesh openings. And then I remove any excess and just put the extra back into the jar. And then once I have all the excess removed, I just remove my stencil. And then I'm ready to wood burn. We use our Seek 1800 watt heat gun to wood burn, and it does take a little bit, so be patient. And once you start to see that transition, it feels like magic every time. I love watching the paste burn and turn colors. It looks so nice.
So that's all there is to it. With icon art, you can fully customize your Thanksgiving table to be exactly the way you want it. Or if you're not hosting Thanksgiving this year at your own place, this would make a great hostess gift to give to a friend or family member or wherever you are having your Thanksgiving dinner. My name is Fawn, and if you want to see more tutorials about how to make icon art stencils and of course use them, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. And may you have a safe and happy Thanksgiving.